Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, May 8th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's talk about the fact that Bitcoin just hit over $10,000. As I so boldly predicted, Bitcoin actually hit over $10,000 last night. I said that with all the publicity of the Bitcoin halving coming up, we were going to have a nice run up to 10,000 and then it was going to drop back down. And it did exactly that. Right now, Bitcoin is at $9,857.20, up 6.17%. Ethereum up 2.2% at $210.16. Dash pretty even, 0.6% up at $78.20. And Litecoin up 2% at $46.89. We were watching Bitcoin trade sideways, literally within a $100 margin for 5 days. And then yesterday, right after I got off of work, it just started shooting up, dropped down, shot up, dropped down. There was so much volume traded, blew my mind. Join us later today when we go over the news to find out why this happened. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.